pumunta sa Ginaray at sa unang sa Universidad ng Aquinas. Ang pagtaon in honra sa mga oragon na aking Bicol sa manlain-lain na disiplina. Mapalalo ng artes, literatura at kultura. Ang OMAW sa Oragon Award. Iniimbitaran ko tabi at sa boss na magtilindog para sa mga-G na pamiminutan ng AUL Forum. Siring man, aawitin pa ko ang lupang hinirang pagkatapos manahan mga G. Kaya sa puntong ini, pinaabudan ko po ang Executive Director for External Affairs, asin pamayokan umong sa Oragon sa taon na ini para sa iyang welcome message. Para pakanta po si Dr. Amparo D. Ginamil.
Very Reverend Father Claro Jimenez OP, Rector and President of Aquinas University, my dear administrators of Aquinas, our awardee, Mr. Cesar Teresa and his family, distinguished guests, faculty members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to Aquinas University, the sanctuary for artists and writers, the sanctuary for people, culture, and the arts. Welcome to the Omao sa Oragon, a tribute forum series for Bicolano artists. It is a humble tribute, but it is one made out of sincere gratitude for the gifts shared to people by the artists. Today, we have the 5th series of Omao, and this year our award is in line with the visual arts. This is coupled with the exhibit of the works of the Omao awardee, which we are going to appreciate more later. And this exhibit will be open to our humanities and fine arts and social program in the arts students next week. And our awardee will be giving a lecture on art appreciation. I am sure our fine arts and humanities teachers and students are familiar with the works of masters Leonardo da Vinci, Pablo Picasso, and Filipino artists like Fernando Montolo and Vicente Manansala. It is high time that we recognize artists of our own, painters who got inspiration from the locality, which is familiar to everyone. To our guests, thank you very much for honoring us with your presence today. I hope that this moment will be fruitful and meaningful for each one. Have an enjoyable afternoon. Again, welcome to the room.
Mabalos tabi ng ampi, ano po kan nasambi ko na kasuwa ko, ang umaw sa Oragon, sa roon akong tradisyon dito sa Universidad ng Aquinas. Katunayan, palimang beses na po ining pinagibot ang yan. Kanani mas masabutan na po, lalong-lalo na kan sa itong mga bisita, kung ano man agad ining umaw sa Oragon, ako lang po tapi ang Oragon man, na direktor kan Aquinas University Center for Culture and the Arts, parapakan po niya po si Dr. Jasmine Villan. Salamat, Gina. Sa mga namamago. Okay, na hapon, tawid sa inyo kay boss. Other one, Cesar. Congratulations. Aquinas University as a sanctuary for artists and writers, as a sanctuary for legal culture and arts. And Aquinas bilang silungan. This is the idea that gave birth to Supay, Pagsulat Bigolnon, Mapiao, Himoloan. Our hosting of many lectures and book launchings by Bicolano writers, the workshops and performances by guest artists. We become a sanctuary of the spirit. The Omao tribute thus stands as the biggest space that we can give in Masirungan, a space that is not just physical, but a space in the memory and imagination. Started in 2002, the Omao sa Oragon is given to Bicolano artists who are or have been part of Aquinas University from its beginnings as the Legazpi Junior Colleges to the present. It aims to honor individuals who, with their creative power, have served to elevate the Bicol spirit, sense of community and dignity in the nation and the rest of the world. to their writing, music, dance, and theatrical creations, their painting, sculpture, or architectural designs, or their exemplary involvement in media arts. The OMAO extols noble acts of selfless service through performance, production, and research in the arts. The OMAO encourages and fosters creativity by highlighting exemplary works and achievements and models of the creative character, life, and spirit. And with OMAO, we wish to highlight the Aquinian values of truth, love, and gratitude as abiding principles in the work of the Bicolano artist. Since its inception, the award has been given to 5 individuals: the researcher and writer Dr. Merito Espinas, posthumous in 2002, the fictionist Abdon Valde Jr. in 2008, the poet, writer, and performer Dr. Melinda Bobis in 2009, and in 2010, the OMA was given posthumously to the poet and fictionist Bienvenido Santos and the architect and musician Everardo Napa. And this year, the OMA honors Cesar Gueda, visual artist. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored by the presence today of one of these awardees, an Moragon engineer, Abdon Valde Jr. Please. Let us all acknowledge as well the members of the OMAO Moragon Committee. Reverend Father Roberto G. Reyes O.P., Architect Delphine Mirabete, Dr. Susan Bobadilla, Miss Princess Delphine, Miss Consolacion Fernandez, Mr. Jose Briones, unfortunately, he's supposed to do this today, but he's not unfortunately available this afternoon, and he would like to extend his regrets. Ms. Benilda Yap, here, Engineer Virgilio Perdigon Jr., our Secretary General. And this year's Chair of the Committee, Dr. Amparo P. Binamira. I thank you all for honoring us with your presence today and for your continued support of the OMAO Morago. Just marvelous. Thank you very much, Ma'am Jazz. With that overview, hopefully this occasion becomes more meaningful to each and every one of us.